For thousands of years, honey has been treasured not just as a food, but as a medicine. Avicenna, the great physician, wrote in his Canon of Medicine, "Honey purifies wounds, strengthens the stomach, clears phlegm, and preserves youth. It prolongs life and restores strength in the weak." Modern science continues to confirm his words. In 2022, the World Health Organization recognized honey as a natural antibacterial, effective even against antibiotic-resistant infections. And a Cochrane review in 2021 found that honey works better than many over-the-counter syrups in calming children's coughs. If you wish to begin your day with energy and resilience, try a simple tonic. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with warm water and a few drops of lemon. Drink it each morning to strengthen your immunity and restore vitality. Next, let us turn to a fragrant herb praised by Avicenna, fennel. He taught that fennel opens obstructions, improves eyesight, strengthens digestion, and even increases milk for nursing mothers. Its warm vapors, he wrote, ease the tightness of the chest. Today, scientists echo his insights. A 2022 clinical trial published in Nutrients revealed that fennel tea significantly reduces bloating and abdominal pain in patients with irritable bowel syndrome. Another study in 2023 in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirmed fennel's ability to ease menstrual cramps by nearly half. For everyday use, steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in boiling water for 5 minutes. Sip it slowly after meals, and let it bring comfort to your stomach and calm to your body. Finally, we arrive at one of nature's most delicate gifts, the rose. To Avicenna, the rose was not only a flower of beauty but a healer of the heart and spirit. He wrote that roses sharpen the mind, cool excess heat, soothe headaches, and restore the nerves. Modern research now shows that rose extracts can calm anxiety, improve sleep, and even nurture the skin. A 2022 study demonstrated that rose aromatherapy reduces stress and promotes restful sleep, while dermatology research in 2021 confirmed its benefits for reducing inflammation and keeping the skin hydrated. To capture its gentle essence, prepare a simple rose elixir. Add a teaspoon of dried rose petals to hot water, steep for 7 minutes, and drink before bedtime. It will ease the mind, relax the body, and guide you into a peaceful night's rest. From honey to fennel, and from rose to countless other remedies, Avicenna's wisdom continues to shine across the centuries.